Reestablishing Trust, a guide to mending relationships. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and powerful topic, reestablishing trust. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's between friends, family members, or partners. But what happens when that trust is broken? Is it possible to rebuild it? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Stay with us as we uncover the steps to mend what's been broken and bring back the strength of trust in your relationships. Trust is the belief in the reliability, truth, ability, or strength of someone or something. It's what makes relationships stable and secure. However, when actions or words break this belief, it leads to hurt and doubt. Understanding the importance of trust is the first step towards rebuilding it. Without trust, relationships lack depth and meaning. It's essential for emotional safety and mutual respect. Several actions can lead to broken trust, including but not limited to dishonesty, betrayal, failure to support one another, and inconsistency in words or actions. Recognizing what caused the trust to break is crucial in the process of reestablishing it. It's about acknowledging the pain caused and understanding the impact of one's actions. Rebuilding trust is not an overnight process. It requires time, patience, and consistent effort. Here are some key steps to consider. 1. Open communication. Both parties need to express their feelings and concerns openly without judgment. It's essential to listen actively and empathetically. 2. Apology and forgiveness. The person who broke the trust should offer a sincere apology, acknowledging their actions and the hurt they caused. The aggrieved party, when ready, should try to forgive, not necessarily forgetting but choosing to move past the pain. 3. Commitment to change. Actions speak louder than words. The person who broke the trust must show a genuine commitment to change their behavior and avoid repeating the actions that led to the breach of trust. 4. Rebuilding slowly. Trust needs to be rebuilt step by step. Small, consistent actions over time can help restore faith in the relationship. 5. Seek support if necessary. Sometimes, external help from a counselor or therapist can provide guidance and support through the rebuilding process. Patience and time are vital components in the process of reestablishing trust. Healing from hurt and rebuilding trust is a journey that both parties need to be committed to. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that there might be setbacks along the way. However, with perseverance, it is possible to mend the foundation of trust. Reestablishing trust is no easy feat, but it is indeed possible with effort, understanding, and patience. Remember, rebuilding trust is a testament to the strength and resilience of human relationships. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to approach this delicate process. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your journey to reestablish trust in your relationships.